Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I make programming tutorial. Right now I'm doing Python tutorial for beginners and you are more than welcome to join. In this video, I'm going to discuss about Docstring. Docstring is a type of comment used in Python programming. Docstring is very useful and important when you are writing a class, module, function, or method definition. It is different from the general comment used in Python. Docstring can be retrieved and it becomes the doc attribute of that object, as it is written right after the definition of a class or module or function or method. Docstring consists of these 5 things: description of what the function or method or module or class does, description of the argument if there is any, description of the return value if there's any, description of the errors raised if there's any. This is optional, the 5th one. It can be the example of usage or extra notes. As named Docstring, it is a string literal. It is written by using 3 double or single quotation. There can be single line and multi-line docstring. Here, as you can see, is a single line docstring. The docstring comment here is takes in a number n, returns the double of n. As you can see, the docstring comment is written just under the definition of the function called double. Docstring is to be written right after the definition of a class, module, function, or method. Here, as you can see, we wrote our docstring comment just under the definition of the function called double. There is also multi-line docstring. Multi-line docstring is more descriptive and can be written in multiple ways. Here is an example of a docstring for Python function. As you can see here, this is a multi-line docstring comment. We wrote this comment using 3 single quotation. As you can see, the rule used to write down the multiple line docstring comment here is to put the docstring comment right under the single quotation, 3 single quotation, which is the starting quotation here. And we have to put the ending 3 single quotation right after the multiple line docstring comment. After writing down docstring right after the function or class or module or method definition, it becomes the doc attribute of that object. This doc attribute can be used to retrieve this. This is how you can do this. This is a single line docstring comment written right after the definition of the function called double. And as you can see, we used the print function here to print the docstring comment. We used the attribute called doc and as you can see, the output is clear here, exactly what is written in the docstring comment. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.